Welcome back to VoyageVibez. Prepare to be captivated on an exhilarating journey as we reveal the crown jewels of New York City's must-visit attractions. Brace yourselves for an urban adventure in this iconic metropolis, the city that never sleeps. Celebrated for its towering skyscrapers, bustling city streets, and vibrant culture that exude boundless energy. Join us in unraveling the secrets of New York City, a globally acclaimed hotspot that promises an unforgettable experience. Let this video be your ultimate guide, ensuring you unearth every hidden treasure and return from your city escapade. But before we start the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. This video is going to be important for any traveler, so make sure you stick around to the end. Central Park. Nestled amidst the urban sprawl, Central Park stands as an oasis of tranquility and natural beauty. Its sprawling greens, scenic pathways, and recreational activities provide respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Whether you're strolling through its charming pathways or indulging in a leisurely boat ride, Central Park offers a serene landscape that rejuvenates the soul. Times Square. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is an iconic symbol of New York's vibrant energy. Neon lights, giant screens, and bustling crowds create an electrifying atmosphere that encapsulates the city's dynamism. A visit to Times Square immerses you in the heart of New York's bustling entertainment and commercial hub. Statue of Liberty. A beacon of freedom and hope, the Statue of Liberty stands as a timeless symbol of America's ideals. A ferry ride to Liberty Island not only offers a close-up view of this iconic statue, but also a panoramic perspective of the city's skyline. Witnessing Lady Liberty up close is an experience that resonates with the spirit of liberty and unity. 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Paying tribute to the events of September 11, 2001, this museum offers a solemn and profound experience. Through artifacts, exhibitions, and personal stories, it provides a poignant reminder of resilience in the face of tragedy. Visiting the 9/11 Museum is an opportunity to reflect on history, honor the victims, and appreciate the strength of human spirit. Grand Central Terminal. More than a transportation hub, Grand Central Terminal is an architectural masterpiece that exudes timeless elegance. Its celestial ceiling, intricate details, and bustling concourse make it a sight to behold. Embrace the nostalgia of yesteryears while immersing yourself in the vibrant pulse of New York's daily life. Empire State Building. Scaling the heights of this iconic skyscraper offers an unparalleled panorama of the city that never sleeps. The Empire State Building's observation decks provide sweeping views that stretch beyond the horizon, capturing New York's breathtaking urban sprawl and awe-inspiring architecture. Fifth Avenue. For the ultimate shopping experience, Fifth Avenue is a shopper's paradise, featuring high-end boutiques, flagship stores, and luxury brands. This iconic avenue also offers a glimpse into New York's glamorous lifestyle and architectural splendor. Metropolitan Museum of Art. Immerse yourself in a world of artistic wonders at the Met. Housing an impressive collection spanning centuries and cultures, this museum invites you to explore masterpieces that reflect the diversity and creativity of human expression. New York City's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly blend history, culture, and innovation. From the tranquility of Central Park to the pulsating energy of Times Square, each attraction holds a unique charm that contributes to the city's vibrant charm. Your adventure awaits in a city that never ceases to amaze. We want to hear what you're excited to discover next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below and we'll get right on it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button.